Enjoy high light reflectance and ease of use with the Quad Star Mirror by Affirmations Mirrors, available at Italtile. Assembled in South Africa, Affirmations mirrors are coveted for their use of Pilkington glass from Lancashire, universally recognized as the holy grail of glass. With a size and shape that will suit most single basins, the Quad Star Mirror features 12-volt LED lights and a transformer, casting a cool glow through sandblasted stars that run vertically down the mirror, all activated by means of a motion sensor switch. To ensure optimal performance and safety, the Quad Star Mirror comes complete with pre-mounted brackets, has all electrical components mounted in the rear, and forms part of the Pilkington OptiMirror range, offering crystal clear color, clarity, and a greater resistance to natural atmospheric corrosion. As with all of Italtile's Affirmations Eco-Chic mirrors, the Quad Star Mirror carries the Live Green logo, thanks to its sustainable design and manufacture that includes energy-efficient and eco-friendly materials. The Quad Star Mirror is both practical and functional, with a finish that will light up any bathroom style.